paper cup spilled on the stair, keys in the drain and no one cares. Wind plays games with my coat, but I laugh like I know the joke. Left my shoes in the pouring rain, sang off key on a lonely train. Even the mirror turned away, still I stayed and faced the day. All the cracks begin to glow, where the heavy hours go. Maybe there's a thread I can't yet see, woven through the mess so tenderly. Even when the colors fade, there's a dance that won't betray. Mailbox full of yesterday, letters I forgot to say, but silence hums a quiet tune that promises another room. Every wrong note finds its rhyme in some rhythm out of time. Maybe there's a light I've yet to find, flickering just past the frame of mind. Even when the frame is bare, something kind is waiting there. Falling leaves don't ask for why, they just trust the shifting sky. So I'll breathe and let it be. Each undone thread is part of me. Maybe there's a wind that knows my name, moving through the stillness all the same. Even when the song feels thin, there's a strength beneath the skin. Maybe there's a joy in not yet known, in every path I walk alone. Even when the map won't show, the sky above still turns below.
There's a fence still bent where we used to climb. Names we carved now blurred by time. The wind still whispers in the crooked pines, calling out like an old friend's line. Gravel cracked beneath my shoes, where every step replays the blues of afternoons with skies so wide and nowhere left for her to hide. I left with fire behind my eyes, but silence caught me by surprise. I keep seeing that worn out gate in the porch light that never waits. Even shadows know the sound of my feet when they touch that ground. It's not a dream, it's not a lie, it's the place where my heart runs dry. That store's now closed, but the bell still rings in my head like forgotten things. There's dust on all the window frames, but somehow they still spell my name. I chase the noise of brighter days. but quiet begged me not to stay. I keep seeing their winding trail where the trees still guard every tale. Even silence hums along to the echoes I knew so long. It's not regret, it's not goodbye. It's the place where my heart won't lie. Maybe I was never gone, just lost in songs that led me wrong. But every mile I tried to roam pulled me back to something known. I keep hearing that screen door slam and the laughter I used to understand. Even ghosts won't let me go from the light in that amber glow. It's not the end, it's not the start. It's the place that still holds my heart. I keep walking that same old line, though it's buried in hills and time. Every turn I feel it near, every breath brings it back so clear. It's not a map, it's not a sign. It's the place where I'm most alive.
Used to doubt the mirror's face, tried to hide in someone's grace, but something stirred beneath the haze, the quiet shift in subtle ways. Used to chase what others say, like I was clay they could reshape, but I grew roots beyond the frame, and gave my heartbeat back its name. Now I hear a rhythm I call mine, turning pages one bold line at a time. I'm not who I was before. I'm breaking through the painted door. Colors spilling raw and true. Finding skies in every hue. Learn to speak without a script. Build my world from fingertip. And though the winds may shift their tune, I'm dancing higher than the moon. Now I feel the rise within my chest, like a tide that won't be second guessed. I'm not who I used to be. Rode my path across the sea. Voices try to pull me down, but I'm the one who wears the crown. No need for silver signs. I shine from what's inside. No map, no guiding light. Just me and open sky. I'm not hiding anymore. I'm crashing through what came before. Waves may roar, but I hold true. Painting worlds in every hue. I'm not who I was before, and I won't close that open door. Let them watch me as I fly with my own story in the sky. Used to doubt the mirror's face, tried to hide in someone's grace, but something stirred beneath the haze, a quiet shift in subtle ways. Used to chase what others say, like I was clay.